unhappy with the alleged rampant corruption going on in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council and the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP has threatened to withdraw support from the NPP-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA government in the state if the situation remains financially grim. While addressing reporters here on Tuesday, BJP State President Ernest Maury demanded a CBI probe into the alleged misappropriation of funds amounting to crores of rupees under the Special Assistant Grant in both the Autonomous District Councils. Maury stated that they will not tolerate any kind of corruption since the party is totally against corrupt practices. He alleged that the GHADC and the JHADC misused the funds without following procedure, even though guidelines stated that the funds should be used for developmental works in underdeveloped areas. Maury said that he has written to the Ministry of Finance seeking a CBI inquiry into the matter.
However, against the explicit guideline that accompany the grant, the fund received by the GHADC were diverted to pay the salaries of the officers of the council. In fact, upon being questioned on the floor of the council about the diversion, the then Chief Executive Member CM blatantly announced that rupees 20 crore were used for paying salaries. So basically, they pay their own salaries but keep the people under developed. Moreover, this SAG scheme that were utilized by GHADC were done without approval of the competent authority, stipulated under the guideline of the grant. In fact, internal council engineers were used to approve the release of funds for project at exorbitant and inflated rate. Tenders were awarded arbitrarily and without following the procedure. In Garo Hills also, funds to the tune of 100.71 lakh was allocated under the Special Assistance Grant in the last few years, that is 2015-2016. This is a lot of money. In the year 2015-16, date 29 September 2016, I'll keep the copy to all the press. The central government from the BJP government is the first time that they have allotted the money. 100 crore. 100 crore, it makes up to all the district councils in the northeast. 1,000 crore, sorry. And out of that, you see here, I'm having the paper, like GHADC, they have received 133.12. Then GHADC 100.71, which I have just mentioned now. Then GHADC 33.57. Total 267 crore 40 lakh. This fund has been delivered to the district council for development work. Then again, on the 7 March 2019, the BJP government again released the fund for the SAG scheme, where the Khasi Hills Autonomous Council, they received 34 crore 87 lakh 95,000. And the Garo Hills Autonomous Council, they received 31 crore 40 lakh. And the Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council, they received 11 crore 62 lakh and 65,000. That is total of 77 crore 51 lakh for the district council in Meghalaya. And again, subsequently they received the fund on the 30th March 2019. The Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council has received 15 crore 30 lakh. Then the Garo Hills Autonomous Council, they received 13 crore 60 lakh. And the Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council, they received 5 crore 10 lakh. Just imagine, they have received so big amount. And this amount, it is clearly given the guideline. I'll give you the guideline. The guideline has clearly mentioned that how to utilize this scheme. But it's very unfortunate. Both the council, as you know, in Jaintia Hills Council, who led the council? It is the NPP and the UDP. And we have got the MDC in Jaintia Hills, where it's very sad to say, we are a part of the MDA in the state, but in the district council, they made our MDC to sit in the opposition bench.
TNT Bureau.